Here's some another results. Sine in the second quadrant means 180 degree or pi minus x. Here, this is the second means pi minus x. Here is the angle pi minus x. Second quadrant. Now see in the second quadrant, we use the formula sine pi into cos x minus cos pi into sine x. See here. Here the in the unit circle here, the coordinates are -1 comma 0 means cos is -1 and sine is 0. So the value of sine is 0 here, this is minus. So minus minus is plus means sine x. And now second is cos pi minus x means cos pi into cos x. And here will be plus cos x minus pi is cos x cos pi plus sine x into sine pi means sine pi into sine x. Here in the unit circle cos pi is -1 and cos sine pi 0. So this will be 0, this will be -1 means minus cos x. So from this we see sine changes remain same, cos will remain same. But sine in the second quadrant is positive, cos is a negative. Because of this other t ratio can be find out. Tan pi minus x will be minus tan x, cot pi minus x will be minus cot x, secant pi minus x will be minus secant x, and cosecant pi minus x is a cosecant x. Now see another third quadrant, sine pi plus x. Sine pi plus x is a sine pi cos x plus cos pi sine x. Again this value is minus and this value is 0. So this is minus sine x. And cos pi into cos x minus sine pi into sine x. Now see, this is -1, this value is -1, this value is 0. So it will 0, minus minus plus and plus. This is -1, this is -1 and this is 0. So this will be 0 and the value is minus cos x. So sine is minus sine x, cos is minus cos x. Because of this, tan pi plus x is a minus minus will cos, sine upon cos will tan x. And cot pi plus x will be plus cot x. Cosecant pi plus x will be minus cosecant x. And secant pi plus x will be minus secant x. So the t ratio will remain same at this angle, either plus or minus. And same we can find out here, we will see the same result here, similar. Sine 2 pi plus x, this is the first quadrant, 2 pi after complete revolution, 2 pi plus x means first quadrant. And the value will be same, sine x, this will be cos x. Similarly, tan 2 pi plus x will be tan x. Cot 2 pi plus x will be cot x. And so on. Here in the fourth quadrant, this will be negative, minus sine x. And this will be cos x. So are the other results. So this is the